Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle but didn't know where to begin? In today's fast-paced world, having an extra source of income can provide financial security, help you pursue your passions, and even open doors to new career opportunities. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply explore a new interest, a side hustle can be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll guide you through every step you need to take to launch your own side hustle this year, making the process simple and achievable for anyone, regardless of experience. Let's start by defining what a side hustle actually is. A side hustle is any type of work or business you do in addition to your main job. It's typically flexible, allowing you to work on your own schedule, and can range from freelancing and selling products online to offering services or creating digital content. The key is that it's something you do outside your regular employment, often to earn extra income or pursue a personal passion. Understanding this definition will help you identify opportunities that fit your lifestyle and goals. Starting a side hustle comes with a range of benefits. Not only can it boost your income, but it also allows you to develop new skills, expand your professional network, and gain valuable experience. Many people find that their side hustle becomes a creative outlet, offering a sense of fulfillment that their main job might not provide. Plus, it can serve as a safety net in uncertain times, giving you more control over your financial future. These advantages make side hustles increasingly popular among people of all ages and backgrounds. The first step in starting a side hustle is to identify your skills and interests. Take some time to reflect on what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you a talented writer, a skilled designer, or someone who loves organizing events? Maybe you have a knack for social media or a passion for teaching. By pinpointing your strengths and passions, you'll be able to choose a side hustle that feels rewarding and sustainable in the long run. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to research potential side hustle opportunities. Look for gaps in the market or problems you can solve with your expertise. Explore online platforms, community boards, and social media groups to see what services or products are in demand. Reading reviews and testimonials can also give you insights into what customers are looking for. The more you research, the better equipped you'll be to choose a side hustle that has real potential for success. Setting clear and realistic goals is essential for your side hustle journey. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's earning a specific amount each month, building a portfolio, or eventually turning your side hustle into a full-time business. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, actionable steps. This will help you stay focused and motivated, especially when challenges arise. Remember, having a clear vision makes it easier to measure your progress and celebrate your achievements. Balancing a side hustle with your main job and personal life can be challenging, but effective time management makes it possible. Start by creating a weekly schedule that allocates dedicated time for your side hustle. Use productivity tools like calendars, to-do lists, or time tracking apps to stay organized. Prioritize your most important tasks and avoid multitasking, which can reduce efficiency. Remember to set boundaries to prevent burnout and ensure you have time to relax and recharge. Selecting the right platform is crucial for reaching your target audience. Depending on your side hustle, you might use freelance websites, e-commerce platforms, or social media channels. For example, if you're offering graphic design services, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients. If you're selling handmade products, consider Etsy or Shopify. Research each platform's features, fees, and user base to find the best fit for your business. A strong brand helps you stand out in a crowded market. Start by choosing a memorable name and designing a simple logo. Develop a consistent visual style and tone of voice for your communications. Your brand should reflect your values and appeal to your target audience. Whether you're creating a website, social media profiles, or business cards, make sure your branding is cohesive and professional. This builds trust and makes your side hustle more recognizable. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any side hustle. Start by creating a simple website or landing page that showcases your services or products. Use social media platforms to connect with potential customers and share updates. Make sure your contact information is easy to find, and consider adding testimonials or a portfolio to build credibility. An effective online presence helps you reach a wider audience and makes it easier for people to find and trust your business. Before launching your side hustle, it's important to address any legal requirements. Depending on your location and business type, you may need to register your business, obtain licenses, or pay taxes on your earnings. Research local regulations and consider consulting a professional if you're unsure. Taking care of legal matters early on will help you avoid complications down the road and ensure your side hustle operates smoothly and legally. Managing your finances is key to a successful side hustle. Start by setting a budget for any initial expenses, such as equipment, marketing, or platform fees. Track your income and expenses carefully to ensure you're making a profit. Use simple accounting tools or spreadsheets to stay organized. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you'll be able to make informed decisions and grow your side hustle sustainably. Effective marketing is essential for attracting customers to your side hustle. Start by identifying your target audience and tailoring your message to their needs. Use social media, email newsletters, and word of mouth to spread the word. Consider offering promotions or discounts to encourage first-time customers. The more visible you are, the more likely you are to attract new clients and grow your business. Building relationships is a powerful way to grow your side hustle. Attend local events, join online communities, and connect with others in your industry. Networking can lead to new clients, collaborations, and valuable advice. Don't be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. Most people are happy to share their experiences and help others succeed. Remember, your network is one of your greatest assets. Providing excellent service is the key to building a loyal customer base. Always communicate clearly, deliver on your promises, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any issues professionally. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your side hustle to others, helping you grow through positive word of mouth. Feedback is invaluable for improving your side hustle. Encourage customers to share their thoughts and suggestions, whether through reviews, surveys, or direct messages. Take constructive criticism seriously and use it to make positive changes. By showing that you value feedback, you'll build trust and demonstrate your commitment to continuous improvement. As your side hustle grows, you may want to scale up your operations. This could mean increasing your marketing efforts, expanding your product or service offerings, or outsourcing certain tasks. Scaling requires careful planning and a willingness to invest more time and resources. By taking gradual steps and monitoring your progress, you can grow your side hustle without becoming overwhelmed. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial when juggling a side hustle. Set boundaries to ensure you have time for family, friends, and self-care. Schedule regular breaks and don't be afraid to say no to extra commitments if you're feeling stretched. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your business success. A balanced approach will help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. Every entrepreneur faces setbacks at some point. Whether it's a slow month, a difficult client, or a failed idea, setbacks are a normal part of the journey. The key is to stay resilient and view challenges as learning opportunities. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Persistence and adaptability are essential traits for long-term success. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reaching a milestone, landing your first client, or receiving positive feedback are all reasons to be proud. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you of the progress you're making. Take time to acknowledge your hard work and enjoy the journey. Continuous learning is vital for side hustle success. Invest time in developing new skills related to your business, whether it's marketing, technology, or customer service. Take online courses, read books, or attend workshops to stay up to date. The more you learn, the more value you can offer your customers, and the more confident you'll feel in your abilities. Technology can make running a side hustle much easier. Use apps and software to manage your schedule, track expenses, and communicate with clients. Automate repetitive tasks where possible to save time. Embracing technology not only boosts your productivity, but also helps you stay organized and competitive in the market. Protecting your side hustle is just as important as growing it. Consider getting insurance if your business involves physical products or services. Use contracts to clarify expectations with clients and protect your interests. Safeguard your digital assets with strong passwords and regular backups. Taking these precautions will give you peace of mind and help you avoid potential risks. Regularly tracking your progress helps you stay on course and reach your goals. Set aside time each week or month to review your achievements, analyze your finances, and assess what's working. Use this information to make adjustments and plan your next steps. Consistent tracking ensures you're always moving forward and making informed decisions. Taxes are an important part of running any business, including side hustles. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses throughout the year. Set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes to avoid surprises at tax time. Consider consulting a tax professional to ensure you're meeting all your obligations and taking advantage of any deductions available to you. Competition is a natural part of any business landscape. Instead of fearing it, use competition as motivation to improve your offerings and customer service. Study your competitors to see what they're doing well and identify areas where you can stand out. Focus on delivering unique value and building strong relationships with your customers. Clear communication is key to managing customer expectations. Be transparent about your services, pricing, and timelines. Set realistic expectations from the start and keep customers informed of any changes. This builds trust and helps prevent misunderstandings, leading to better relationships and repeat business. As your side hustle grows, you may find it helpful to outsource certain tasks. This could include hiring freelancers for design, marketing, or administrative work. Outsourcing allows you to focus on your strengths and free up time for more important activities. Choose reliable partners and communicate your expectations clearly to ensure quality results. Maintaining motivation over time can be challenging, especially when progress feels slow. Set regular goals, celebrate your achievements, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your efforts. Staying positive and persistent will help you overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. The business world is always evolving, and adaptability is crucial for long-term success. Stay open to new ideas, trends, and technologies that can improve your side hustle. Be willing to pivot your strategy if something isn't working. Embracing change keeps your business relevant and helps you seize new opportunities as they arise. Loyal customers are the foundation of a successful side hustle. Focus on providing consistent value and excellent service to keep customers coming back. Offer loyalty programs, personalized experiences, or exclusive deals to reward repeat business. Building strong relationships with your customers leads to positive reviews and long-term growth. As you gain experience, consider expanding your product or service offerings. Listen to customer feedback to identify new needs or interests. Test new ideas on a small scale before making larger investments. Diversifying your offerings can attract new customers and increase your income streams. Running a side hustle can be stressful at times, especially when balancing multiple responsibilities. Practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness, exercise, or talking with friends. Don't hesitate to take breaks when needed. Managing stress effectively will help you stay focused, productive, and happy in your side hustle journey. One of the best ways to grow is by learning from others who have already succeeded. Follow industry leaders, read case studies, and join online forums or mastermind groups. Ask questions and seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs. Learning from others' successes and mistakes can save you time and help you avoid common pitfalls. Setting boundaries is essential to prevent your side hustle from taking over your life. Decide how many hours you'll dedicate each week and stick to your schedule. Communicate your availability to clients and avoid overcommitting. Healthy boundaries help you maintain balance and enjoy both your work and personal life. Regular evaluation helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Set aside time to review your goals, strategies, and results. Be honest with yourself about your successes and challenges. Use this information to make informed decisions and adjust your approach as needed. Inspiration can come from many sources: books, podcasts, mentors, or even your own customers. Surround yourself with positive influences that keep you excited about your side hustle. Set aside time for creative thinking and exploration. Staying inspired will help you maintain enthusiasm and drive, even during challenging times. Think about where you want your side hustle to be in the next year or 5 years. Set long-term goals and create a roadmap for achieving them. Consider how your side hustle fits into your overall career and life plans. Planning for the future helps you stay focused and motivated, ensuring your efforts lead to lasting success. Sometimes your original idea may not work out as planned. Be open to pivoting your side hustle if you discover a better opportunity or if the market changes. Evaluate your progress regularly and don't be afraid to make bold decisions. Flexibility and a willingness to adapt are key to long-term success. Having a support system can make a big difference in your side hustle journey. Surround yourself with friends, family, or fellow entrepreneurs who encourage and motivate you. Share your goals and challenges with them, and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. A strong support system provides encouragement and accountability. Organization is key to managing a successful side hustle. Use tools like calendars, project management apps, and checklists to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Keep your workspace tidy and your files organized. Staying organized reduces stress and helps you work more efficiently. Failure is a natural part of any entrepreneurial journey. Instead of seeing it as a setback, view failure as a valuable learning experience. Analyze what went wrong, identify lessons learned, and use that knowledge to improve. Every failure brings you one step closer to success if you're willing to learn and adapt. As your side hustle grows, consider ways to give back to your community. This could mean donating a portion of your profits, volunteering your time, or supporting local causes. Giving back not only makes a positive impact, but also strengthens your brand and builds goodwill among your customers. Sometimes, the best decision is to step back or even quit your side hustle. If it's no longer bringing you joy, isn't financially viable, or is affecting your well-being, it's okay to move on. Evaluate your situation honestly and make the choice that's best for you. Remember, every experience teaches you something valuable for the future. Starting a side hustle can be one of the most rewarding decisions you make this year. With the right mindset, planning, and persistence, you can turn your ideas into reality and achieve your goals. Remember, every big success starts with a single step. Stay motivated, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. Your side hustle journey is unique, and with dedication, you can make it a success in 2024 and beyond.